Hello, everyone. 大家好。Happy and you come to the you go visit some of your friend and after that you say, wow, today I'm very happy. So how say 今天 today is 今天 right? Yes. 今天我非常高兴. And then what do you have to say the next? Remember? Yes. Thanks. How to say? 谢谢. Yes. Right? Someone invite you after you finish the party and you say, wow, 今天我很高兴，谢谢. Very good. That is complete sentence. Okay? Yes. But how to say not happy? Yes, sometimes I'm not happy, but they think I'm happy and then they ask me, are you happy? I don't want to say I'm happy. I say I'm not happy. How to say? Yes. Just add one more word in. What? 不, right? 不 is no. So not happy is 不高兴. Today I'm not happy. 今天我不高兴. Yes, you are right. So one more time. Very happy. Yes. 非常高兴. And not happy. 不高兴. Very good. You can repeat one more time. This is very easy. You have to remember sometimes when you talk to the Chinese, and happy is also one of the common words. You have to talk sometime all the time, you know. So after happy, what is that? Yes, angry. And angry. What is angry in Chinese? Angry. 生气. 生气. And angry. So how to say I'm very angry today? I'm very angry. Someone did mistake and make me very angry. How to say very angry? Yes. The same, right? Also use this one, the same. Can you say it by yourself? Give you 1 second, okay? Yes. 很生气, very angry. And this? So long, right? I don't remember. No problem. I tell you. 非常生气. 非常生气. Today I'm very, very angry. 今天我非常生气. Yes? So, but sometimes and you sit there and your face look very angry. But, and someone are scared. They come to you and say, are you angry? But in fact, you are not angry. And how to show them? How to tell them? Here, you see? Oh yeah, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. Don't worry. Yes, I'm not angry. So what? Yes, 不生气, right? So 不生气. Are you angry? No, 我不生气. Yes. Or 没生气, right? 我没生气啊. 我没生气. Yes, I'm not angry. Or you can add some emotion behind. 我没生气啊. Right? See it? You see the difference? Yes. So, but if someone like angry, but someone like is very angry, you want to persuade them. Like you see them angry. Don't be so angry. It's not necessary, right? So how to say? How to say don't be angry? Yes, you see, it's different, right? Don't be angry. How to say it? Yes, that is 不要生气. Okay? 不要生气. Yes, it's not necessary. Yes. So you have to look at my pronunciation. Formal one more time. 不要生气, right? Okay. 不要生气. Very good. Let me speak fluently and by Chinese speakers, okay? 不要生气. 不要生气. Yes, very good. So, but it's what you see here. There is one short one. How to say it? The short one, very short, right? Perhaps it's easy for you to remember. If you can speak this one, oh wow, foreigner, are you sure? Yes. So how to say it? 别生气. 别生气. It means, 别生气啦. 别生气啦. Yes. It means, it's not necessary for you to be angry. Yes. 别生气啦. Yes, something like that, right? You see it? When you look at my my face, and when you talk, also say 别生气了，不要生气了。Yes, very good, right? So after angry with that, most of the time I'm angry because I'm tired. I don't know about you, but most of the time I'm angry because I'm tired. So after the angry must be tired. So how to say tired in Chinese? How to say it? Yes, one word, right? 累，累。Ah, yes. So now I will let you speak by yourself. So what is very angry? No, sorry. Why very tired? Very tired. How to say very tired in Chinese? I did teach you before the same. Just change the angry or happy to tired. What is that? Yes, 很 right? 很累 right? And 非常累 yes. Oh, yesterday I was very tired. 昨天 right? Yesterday is 昨天 right? 昨天我很累。昨天我非常累 yes. Yesterday I was tired. 昨天我很累。昨天我非常累。Yes. See? But how to say not tired? I'm not tired. Yes, the same. Add one more is right? 不累。不累。不累。Ah, you say, oh, if someone is smart, not smart, someone is careful, and then you say, what is this? This is no. Yes, it is. But you say, oh, you just tell me when it was angry, you say, 不生气. Why not become 不? Ah, yes. If you can ask me this question, it means that you are really very careful person and you have potential with Chinese. Yes. So, yes, but when the no together with tired, you have to say 不累 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 not tired. It's a 不累 right? Today I'm not tired. Don't worry. 今天我不累 Yes. Are you tired? Were you tired yesterday? 昨天我不累。我不累 Yes, 不累 right? But if you persuade someone, they are working, and you say, oh yeah, don't be so tired. You know, you have to go home earlier. How to say it? How to say that you don't be so tired? Yes. Here. See the difference? Yes. 2 words. Add more 2 words, right? So add 2 more words, and the meaning will change. It means that you persuade others. So don't be tired. 不要太累。不要太累 Yes. So don't be tired. Go home earlier. How to say it? 不要太累了。不要太累。早点回家。Earlier is 早。回家 means go home. So 不要太累。早点回家。Yes. Can I speak by the fluent and normal way? 不要太累啦。早点回家吧。Yes. See it? Yes, one more time, huh? One more time. You can hear it, and you can feel it, and you can speak out. And so you will see the difference between you and me. And so you can learn the pronunciation. Okay? So, 不要太累啦，早点回家吧。Yes? Very good. After tired. Well, I'm tired, but no one accompanied with me, and no one say something to me. I feel very sad. Yes, I'm very sad. I'm very, very sad. How to say it? How to say sad in Chinese? Sad. 伤心. 伤心. Xin is a heart. My heart is broken, so I feel sad. Yes, this is 伤心. I'm so sad. Yes. So, how to say I'm very sad? I'm very sad. Yes? Same. Just change the word, right? It is 很伤心, right? 非常伤心. Yes, can you make a sentence by this? I'm very tired. I'm very sad. Yes, I'm very sad. You can choose one of those to speak out. It's no problem. It's all can understand. Okay? So I speak English and you can speak Chinese when you're watching the video. Okay? So what is that? I'm very sad. Yes. Yes. Now I tell you and you can feel it. Okay? 我很伤心. Are you the same as me? Yes, very good. How about I'm not sad? I'm not sad. I'm not sad. Yes. 不伤心. 我不伤心啊. 我不伤心. 不伤心. It means I'm not sad, right? But same, when you persuade others, don't be so sad. Because blah, 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 blah. Yes. How you say like that? Do you remember? Yes, exactly. You just keep the word and change the subject behind and you can speak whole sentence, right? Now, I speak out, don't be so sad. Try to say in Chinese, don't be so sad. Yes, perfect. Open your mouth and try to speak out. Even it's not correct, perhaps, but at least you can speak out. That is a big improvement. Okay? Very good. Yes. 不要伤心. Yes. Don't be so sad. 不要伤心. Yes. Don't worry. This is not your mistake. Don't be so sad. Don't worry. Is 不要担心. 别担心. Yes. It's not your mistake. 不是你的错. Right? So, don't be so sad. 不要伤心啦. Yes. 不要伤心. Right? See the three difference? And you can review it all the time. And you just keep this and change the emotion behind. And then will be a sentence. Easy, right? So you can make a sentence after the class or during I ask you, you can talk it out by yourself and I will repeat the Chinese one more time and you can see that if we have the same pronunciation or not. Okay? Yes. So, what is this? What is this? Cut it.
It's okay, you just go on with that.
You will cut it. I cut it here.
Yes. Cut what? You just go on with that. You just move on.
This one. Okay. And smile. How to say smile in Chinese? Smile. Look at me. Look at my face. This means smile. In China, we said the girl have to smile. Cannot see the teeth. Sorry. This means smile. Okay? How to say it? How to say it? 微笑. V is a little bit. 微笑. 微笑. Okay? 微笑. Very good. But laugh. Open your mouth. Very heavy. That is 大. Yes, if you are so sad. And what is the opposite? Yes, smile or laugh, right? How to say smile in Chinese? Smile. Look at my face. This is smile. Smile. In China, I don't know how about in Western. I think the similar, right? If smile, they can't see your teeth. Smile, right? How to say it? 微笑. 微笑. 微 is a little bit, it's a little bit. So 微笑 is smile. So how about laugh? Laughing. Laughing. How to say it? Is 大笑. 大 is mean big, right? Big smile, big 笑. And this is laughing. Yes, this is difference. So you will say, oh yeah, so complicated. I can't remember. Now I even can't speak Chinese. How can I remember those? They are smile or laughing. I can't remember it. I don't know how to say it. Can you tell me the easy one? Of course. Must be. Otherwise, how you learn Chinese easier with me, right? What is that? See, only one. What is that? Yes, 笑 笑 Yes, 他笑了 He smiling or he is laughing. Yes, okay. You can say 笑了 笑 Yes. So, if someone that he laughing at you, he is laughing at you, how to say? 他在笑你 It means this one, in this case, it's not good meaning. It's not good meaning. It means that he's laughing at you. 他在笑你他在笑你 Right? 他在笑你 Yes. How you say it? How you answer him? You come. Is that funny? Is that funny? How to say it in Chinese? 可笑吗可笑吗 Is like you asking him, is that funny? 可笑吗 Yes, right? This is 笑, but most of the time the 笑 is positive. Okay, it's a positive. So you are happy and you can smile or you can laughing. Yes, that is positive. Okay. So if you are smiling so or you are laughing so strong and you will have tear. So that it means 哭 哭 right? There is a sad and you can cry 伤心哭 and happy you also can cry right? So happy until have tear 哭 right? Not only about sad also happy right? So 哭他哭了 do you know what does that mean? 他哭了 Yes, he crying. He is crying. Yes, 他哭了你哭了 Are you crying? Yes, 你哭了 Yes. Very easy, right? Just very short and where you can learn it and practice all the time because the pronunciation also very easy. This is 他哭了 right? Yes. And sometimes you cry because I'm so nervous. I don't know, when you are in the strange place or you meet some strangers and all the strangers nearby you, you will be nervous. How to say nervous in Chinese? Nervous. 紧张 紧张 紧 means tight. Yes, when you are nervous, right? All of your body are very tight, right? So it's 紧张 I'm very nervous. Yeah, I'm very nervous now because I'm making the video. Very nervous. Yes, 我很紧张 right? I'm very nervous. He is not nervous. Not nervous. How to say? 他 not nervous. Right, yes, you see now you can remember it. 他不紧张不紧张 Yes. And change the other word. 他没 Yes. 没紧张 right? 没有紧张 or 没紧张 Yes. He is not nervous. Right? Okay. What is the next? Yes, we finished today already. So if you want to see what is the next, and we have a huge of the emotional word. So we are going to talk tomorrow. And if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button under. And see you next time. Bye.